In this video, I'm going to give you a meme coin portfolio, a crypto meme coin portfolio that can actually make you a fortune. See, recently Elon Musk made Dogecoin into the official logo of Twitter. In turn, of course, the Dogecoin price pumped like crazy. That was inevitable. But this got me thinking of a couple of things. First of all, I told you that Dogecoin is a good bet. I've made videos about Dogecoin before Elon Musk telling you that Dogecoin is a good bet as a proof of concept meme coin and can pump and make you a lot of money. I also made videos about Dogecoin pumping on Elon Musk News, and it should be part of your portfolio. But here's the deal, make no mistake, once Dogecoin starts pumping or any other meme coin pumps, this will take meme coins up with it, and may even be the reason for an altcoin rally or alt season. So let's stop wasting time and let me give you a meme coin portfolio with $1,000 that can make you a fortune. Okay, here we are in the factor pad, and we're going to create a meme coin portfolio here. And we're going to allocate $1,000. Now, feel free not to use $1,000 here. If $1,000 is too much for you, you could do this portfolio with $500 or $800 or $400 or whatever you think is best for you. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose here, especially when it comes to meme coins. So the first cryptocurrency we're going to invest in here is, of course, Dogecoin. Why Dogecoin? And excuse my writing here, because Dogecoin is a proof of concept meme coin. It started as a meme coin. It's not pretending to be anything it's not, and it has backing. It has a community. Before Elon Musk. Elon Musk is just a cherry on top, if you will, and time to time pumps your Dogecoin back. Also, because of Twitter and because of Elon Musk making it the official logo, but also saying that he wants to implement it within Twitter, either as payments or tips or so on. You can even buy a Cybertruck with Dogecoin, from what I remember. So basically, it's giving Dogecoin a utility, or at least confidence that one will be birthed into Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is going to be our biggest allocation here, and we're actually going to put $300 into Dogecoin. By the way, if you want to buy any of these meme coins, I actually suggest you use Bybit. I'll leave the link down below. But basically, you can buy, you can sell, you can trade, you can even use margin, although I don't suggest it unless you know what you're doing. Don't use leverage unless you know what you're doing. But yeah, I'll leave the link down below. It's an affiliate link. It'll also help out this channel. Next up, we're going to put Shiba Inu. And the reason we want to put Shiba Inu here in second place is very simple. Ethereum is to Bitcoin what Shiba is to Dogecoin. Let me say that again. Ethereum is to Bitcoin what Shiba is to Dogecoin. Basically, Shiba Inu is a platform. They're trying to innovate, they're trying to create things, while Dogecoin is kind of like the king, the store of value, if you will. As a matter of fact, even though I suggest you take profits into Bitcoin, when it comes to this portfolio, if you want to stay into meme coins, you should be taking profits into Dogecoin. Does that make sense? We'll put $200 into Shiba Inu here. Now, the third meme coin we're going to add to this portfolio is XRP. Just kidding, just kidding. We won't put XRP here. What we're going to put here is Baby Doge, though. And the reason we want to put Baby Doge is very simple. Price action. If you look at price action of Baby Doge, it's probably going off the Doge name in hope that you're going to get in earlier. But narratives also change. New communities are formed. And I think Baby Doge is a very good part of this portfolio. Okay, so let's put $100 into Doge here. Then we have Floki Inu. Why Floki Inu? Very simple. Price action, same as Baby Doge. The price action from it is doing very well. Now, yes, it's a bit older. We want to be looking at new meme coins, but at the same time, when I'm making this video, meme coins are birthed every day. You have to get in, you have to get out. I'm trying to give you a standard portfolio here that you can use over time, which is very difficult with meme coins. Regardless, we're going to put Floki Inu into this portfolio. So let's put another $100 here. So that's 300 plus 200, 500, 600, 700, and that leaves us $300 to play with here. Now here I'm going to actually give you a choice, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a choice to allocate this $300 within this portfolio, which is I think is a great basic portfolio, meme coin portfolio, or we're going to use that $300 to find and invest in other meme coins. So if you choose to allocate this $300 in this portfolio, you might want to add $100 here, then 50 here, 50 here, 50 here, and then 50 by choice. But what we're going to do, we're actually going to go to Morales Money by Ivan on Tech and see if we can find meme coins that are about to pump. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to academy.morales.io here, go to the blog and read how to find tokens before they pump. This is the full 2023 guide here. So if you go down, if you scroll down here, you can see altcoins can pump over 100x, avoid 3 investing mistakes 99% people do, and so on. Listen, I know this sounds like a sponsored video, but it's not. I'm actually a fan of Ivan on Tech. I watch his channel since the inception, and also I found this very, very interesting. This was developed for people to find altcoins that will pump or will potentially pump next. And he does a very good job here. Let me show you real quick. So if you scroll down and you click the link here, use Morales Money by yourself or use Morales Money yourself, you will be taken to this platform right here. I'll also leave the link down below in the description for your convenience. And here you can see top coins ranked by new buyers this month. So you have Shikoku, Inu, Bone, Shiba Swap, and so on. But what you want to do is you want to add some filters here to see which ones are the best ones you can actually find. Now, I'm not an expert on how to use this tool. I'm actually learning how to use this tool myself. So what I recommend you do, you watch this video right here by Ivan on Tech to see exactly how you can use this, or you can watch this video right here that will give you an AI portfolio which is gonna go crazy. It should make you a lot of profits this coming bull run. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.